today also I am at the Kesaria shop. You can see today what kind of collections I want to show you. What lehengas? So actually lehenga segment, I got one party. What kind of lehengas is a party wear? What kind of prices here again starts? 6,000. You have varieties. Sure. Dikha de. Chalo de do. The beautiful party wear lehengas, I got it, which is around, he said like only 6,000 rupees. Executive told me lot of varieties I'm going to show you. Boutique resellers, lehengas. If you want these kind of party wear lehengas quickly, you can also purchase by COD Pan India options and worldwide shipping transport by cargo services. Indian currency of 6,000 bucks around. I'm going to show you a few varieties. So subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Let's have some samples. The executive told me you can also come and purchase. He gave me assurance of around Indian amount, which is you have a many varieties in between around 6,000 rupees. What all varieties? But to know the actual price, numbers are scrolling on the screen below. You can call and you can talk to our online team. So first I'll start with half white, very pretty with embroidering work. So beautiful color charts. This is a lehenga which is a georgette based, I can say, embroidering thread work, and in this you got a lining, you got a can, half of the can you can see here, and I'll show you the semi stitched. This is the blouse. This is a blouse we do have, and this is a, see, two-tone shade. This is a blouse where you can see the neck pattern and net based fabric dupatta. So every lehenga you have a color charts. So now I'll show you one more color. I'll show you the next color, which is a beautiful matte look finishing designer handwork pattern. One of the beige light color, I can say. You can take a screenshot and you can contact our online team. This is covered designer, heavy work actually. For the cider wear, party wear, some like classy colors. These are all new arrivals. I can't hold this fully. So this is a full work, and in this you have a covered neck pattern of the semi-stitched blouse, and this is a net fabric dupatta. Okay, the veil is also net fabric, and the satin glossy type you have a semi-stitch, which is the work is given, and there is a lining cloth also you can see to avoid the transparent. So next pattern, light high lovely color. So ocean blue color, very pretty color, and this is a net fabric. On this net fabric there is a paint which is a handwork which has gone, they have sticked it on it. So okay, this is a beautiful floral light color. You can't see in the camera visibly, but these are a light. When you come to direct purchase, you can touch and you can feel it. In this also you have a same color of net fabric and the lace work which is given here, and this is the blouse. Okay, this is a blouse which is embroidering work you can see here. Every lehenga you have a can. This is a work you can see here. Next pattern, black, which is only diamond stonework pattern. I have taken one color, two colors, dark colors to show the some like dark colors, some like only light colors. Heavy diamond stonework if you want in this black color. Black you have very pretty, and in this also you have a can, and you have a very black chunky heavy with beautiful. This is a glossy type, and here I do have a with lining. You have a material with the fabric. You can just stitch it based on your size. So this is a heavy diamond stonework lehenga. Next pattern, which is a very pinkish color. One of the pink color, in this you have a multi work. You can see the thread work over here, and you can see the stone work here, and there is a wiring work, mild. It's a multi designer lehenga, very pretty. So I am not mentioned here any product code. You can just take a photocopy and you can contact our online team. Very pretty. Every lehenga you have a blouse with lining and with a net fabric you have a dupatta. So this is a one more pattern. I'll show you the next color, light beige. On that you got a dark mehndi green or the military green color combination which has been given here. Very pretty, very pretty. It will be, it's like, looks like a glossy, and the sequence work which is given on the shining. There is a thread work, there is a sequence work, there is a wiring work, and these are all the layers which has been placed here. On apart from that there is a sequence, and in the evening parties it will give a high reflected lehengas where you no need to do such, you no need to highlight, but the lehenga itself highlights you. This is a pattern, and this is a net fabric, and this is the lining of the ready-made blouse. You have to stitch based on this semi-stitched work. The next pattern, one of the peach color, very pretty peach color combination. You have a layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. This is a mini handwork, and this is a covered handwork, and in this you have a lot of embroidering work which has been placed over here, and you can see the mirror which is highlighted. There is a mini mirror work on the thread work. This is a pattern, and you have a can-can. Half of the can-can, you can see the can-can length, which will give you a ball gown shape. This ball gown shapes for the entire bridal lehengas as well as party wear lehengas, or either the cider wear lehengas. Even when the one piece long reception party wear gowns, every gown or every for this segment you have a, most of the lehengas and most of the party wear bridal you have a can-can. So no need to worry, and even we do have around 10,000 bucks. There is a bridal boxes also. You have a bridal box. In this box you are watching here, there is a shoe set which is a fancy tassels with 2 dupattas, and you have a one beautiful bridal lehengas. So these are all side wear party wear. Hope you enjoyed this side wear party wear lehengas around only 6,000 rupees of Indian money. I have not mentioned here actual prices for the products. Please hurry up for these collections, place an order, enjoy, make your customers happy. These colors, Singapore, Malaysia, US, Canada, Abu Dhabi, these all countries having these varieties of boutique resellers, lehenga resellers also you can quickly add, and you can have a rental basis profit in this business. So hope you enjoyed. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. So keep supporting. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.